So today we will start with 10th standard science and we will go into a path-breaking chapter for 10th standard, that is chapter number 6, very well known as the life processes. We will go into the first part of it. Now whenever we go into the name of the chapter, that is the life processes, what do we understand by the name of the chapter? So let us go into it. If we divide the word life processes, then something which comes into our mind, that is the processes which helps in maintaining our life, that is said to be the life processes. But let us go into the definition point of it. So the main fundamental functions that are performed by living organisms to sustain themselves is said to be the life processes. So ultimately, the various types of processes which our body performs, knowingly or unknowingly, that is when we are awake as well as when we are at the time of sleep. So those processes, they help in maintaining our life. So they are said to be the life processes. Which are these processes? Let us see. These are nutrition, growth, respiration, circulation, excretion, control and coordination, movement and reproduction. So all these are the important processes, important life processes which are necessary for maintaining the life of an individual. Now let us go into the first process, that is the nutrition. What is this nutrition? We in our day-to-day life use the word nutrition, that we have obtained nutrition from this substance, we have obtained nutrition from that substance. So what do we understand by this term nutrition? So let us go into the crux of it. The entire process of the first part, that is the ingestion of food. Ingestion means to take the food inside. So that is the first step in nutrition. After taking the food inside, what will happen? The conversion into easily absorbable form. Our body will convert the food into such kind of form which might be easily absorbable. And the third one, and then transport to different cells of the body. So in short, after absorbing, those nutrients have to be supplied to various cells of the body, that is the transportation. So ultimately it is the ingestion, the conversion into easily absorbable form, and then the transportation to different cells of the body. Fine. So which are these nutrients? These nutrients, they allow us to obtain what? The organic raw material and the energy. So from the nutrients, what do we get? We get organic raw material and the energy. So which are these nutrients that we use in our day-to-day life? The nutrients that we use in our day-to-day life is nothing but the food. What kind of food do we eat? We eat the carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins, minerals, water and the roughage. In short, a wholesome, balanced diet. And that wholesome, balanced diet is our food that will be providing us the nutrients, and that will be providing us what? The nutrition for our body. Fine. Now, based on the modes of nutrition, so depending on the kinds of the nutrition, there are two basic types of the organisms or the types of the nutrition we can say. The first is the autotrophic mode of nutrition and the second is the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. The heterotrophic mode of nutrition is further classified into three basic stages, that is the saprophytic, the parasitic and holozoic. Fine. Now, depending on the eating habits, how do the organisms eat? We do not have the same category of organisms. We have the different categories of organisms. So on that basis, we have the three basic kinds, that is the herbivores, the carnivores and the omnivores. Thank you very much.